welcome to Vlogmas Day 9! Alright, so it is day 2 in Big Bear. We're finally leaving.
Actually, we got 2 vloggers.
Oh, hi. Hello. Vlogception, ladies. So we are finally leaving the Airbnb. Remi's staying behind because she's eating lunch right now, but we're grabbing Starbucks. We're going to grab her some as well. I'm craving a cinnamon raisin bagel. It's kind of late, I'm not gonna lie. It's 3 p.m. and I'm starting the vlog, but we've just been chilling inside the house this morning and watched Frozen 2 because I haven't seen it yet and it was so cute. The little gecko or lizard or whatever it was like the cutest little thing. So I think we're also gonna stop by the pharmacy to get some lactates or something. What are we getting?
I need Tums.
Oh, she needs Tums. Lauren ate too much butter noodles yesterday even though she is lactose intolerant.
Yeah, can I get a sugar plum cheese Danish?
Can I get a cinnamon raisin bagel?
Do you have
with
a
cream
cinnamon
cheese?
raisin bagel with cream cheese?
Yeah.
With cream cheese?
Ooh, do we get our bagels?
These smell so good. Great call.
Yeah. Yay, thank you. Honey, we're home. Hello. Hey guys, so all of us are getting ready right now. We're gonna start filming for Remi's channel because I think we're gonna be filming a drinking game on her channel. So I thought I would show you guys how I do my hair. I am blonde, as you guys can clearly tell, and I'm naturally very, very dark haired. And I wanted to show you guys this because I know a lot of you guys are inspired to go blonde ever since I went blonde, but let me tell you guys, it is a lot of work and keeping your hair healthy is like the #1 priority for me. I brought all of my favorite products and today's video is sponsored by hair.com by L'Oreal. I've made orders from hair.com forever now. I buy all my favorite things from them, so to work with them just feels very natural to me because I do genuinely use all these products that they sent me. This is literally, I'm not kidding you guys, my 3rd bottle of this Kerastase Elixir Ultime. It is my favorite oil of all time. My hairdresser from 5 years ago suggested I use this, so shout out to Grace. If you guys do go from being a really, really dark black color or dark brown color to being blonde, you'll realize that your hair gets super frizzy. I've never experienced frizz like I've experienced with being blonde. This is kind of how I use it. I use it every single day and I put a full pump in my hand and I am not kidding you, warm it between my hands for like 45 seconds. I want that oil to be really nice and warm so that it'll hydrate my hair and kind of absorb better. I start running that through my hair like this. And if you guys have never checked out hair.com, it is owned by L'Oreal and you can get all of your favorite L'Oreal products there like Redken, Biolage, Kerastase, Shu Uemura, Pureology, L'Oreal Professional. And what I really like about hair.com is that not only do they sell hair products, they also give you a bunch of tips and inspiration for hairstyles you can try or how to take better care of your hair, like how to get rid of brassiness. It took me a very long time to manage the brassiness in my hair. I did not know how to deal with brassiness until very recently, like maybe 4 months ago. So this is why I use the Redken Color Extend Blondage shampoo. It's literally the only purple shampoo I've been using lately. And then I also like to use their conditioner as well. But not only do these products contain all the purple pigments that you need, it also contains salicylic acid, which is very good for your scalp. I'm gonna curl my hair right now and I'm gonna show you guys how I curl my hair and everything. It is so hot in this bathroom. And before I curl my hair, I also like to put a leave-in conditioner in my hair as well, just to protect my hair from heat. So this is the Biolage All-in-One Coconut Infusion Multi-Benefit Spray. You can use it while your hair is wet or dry. I like to use it while it's dry. I'm just gonna spray a couple sprays. This thing smells amazing. It smells like you just like freshly washed your hair and it leaves my hair feeling super soft. And I'm gonna let that dry for about like a minute or 2 before I start curling my hair. And I've showed you guys how I've curled my hair a million times, but I figured why not show you guys again just in case any of you guys are new to my channel. And another tip for you guys while I'm waiting for my hair to dry a little bit is always putting your hair in a bun or some sort of hairstyle that's going to prevent breakage. And I also sleep on satin and silk pillowcases because that really helps with breakage. My hair is still so long, it literally almost touches my belly button right there. I'm going to link all the products that I use for my hair down below for you guys. And if you guys use any of the links down below, you'll get 15% off of hair.com. So you guys better use it. Honestly, if you're going to buy any one of these products that I'm suggesting, bleaching, I highly recommend the Kerastase hair oil. Other things I guess I like to do as well to take care of my hair is I do take multivitamins every single day. Not super necessary if you guys like eating veggies and fruits and you have a really balanced diet. I'm still a kid, so I like to eat junk food still. So for me, taking a multivitamin has really helped as well. That's hot. That's so hot. I'm gonna open this up because, oh, that feels so much better, you guys. It feels so much better like that. I take my wand with my dominant hand and I'm gonna curl it once, twist, curl it once like you normally would, twist, curl it once, and it gives you like the best bombshell, beachy, Victoria's Secret vibes. I love curling my hair like this. I've been curling it the same way for years now. Maybe I should switch it up, but I still think it looks really pretty. That's kind of the curls you'll get. Literally, guys, I see my stylist next week, and every single time I go in to see her, she always comments on how healthy my hair is, and that's just because I take really good care of my hair. I probably wash my hair once every 5 days, and it took my hair probably 3 years to get used to that amount. I really went from washing my hair every other day to washing my hair every 3 days to 4 days. But also, I will be honest, guys, being blonde is the most work ever. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna stay blonde. Maybe like another year or two. The upkeep is insane. So if you guys want more tips from me, I can do a whole video on how I've kept my hair long and healthy while also bleaching it 7 times this year. But this is what it looks like. This is my hairbrush I'm using, by the way. I'm using a wet brush. And this looks not cute at all. So what I do is I kind of take my hands, do a little rough comb out, and then any pieces that feel really like curly, I kind of brush it out gently. That is this side. Let me go ahead and work on the other side. All right, and just like that, my hair is nice and pretty. Honestly, it feels so freaking soft right now. Literally so soft, so healthy. So just wanted to say a huge thank you to hair.com. And if you guys have never ordered from them yet, make sure to check out my links down below. You guys will get 15% off your first order. And also every single order you order from them, you will get 5 free samples of all of your favorite hair salon quality products. I love their website for looking at inspiration for like hair. Also, they do a bunch of tips on their social media accounts as well. All the products that they have are vetted by industry experts. Let me actually show you guys really quick how I finish my favorite hairstyle. I have been super into doing like a little half up, half down look. So I take out my money pieces, which are my front pieces, and I grab probably 1/4 of my hair and I clip it with like this cute little pearl clip that I got from TJ Maxx. I kind of floof everything out. All right, and this is gonna be my outfit for the video. I might put on a bra and like a little blazer or a little cardigan. That's the hair. Like literally, guys, I have really no brassiness, even though it's been 2 months since I've been to the salon. I'm excited to be back at the salon next week, but I really don't need to, other than to kind of, you know, get rid of all these roots that I have. But other than that, my hair really isn't brassy at all. This is the full hair look. So pretty. I feel so pretty. Okay, I think almost everyone is ready to start filming, so I'm gonna meet everyone downstairs. All right, the festivities are beginning. Okay, wait, everybody count the cards. I have 10. I don't know how.
I have 9.
I definitely don't think I have 5. I have 4.
Oh.
It has all of them.
Only 13.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Guys, that was so fun. So we filmed drinking games on Lauren and Remi's channel, so make sure to follow their channels and watch their Vlogmas content. I've drank about half my drink, feeling very buzzed. Lauren shared her search history and didn't enjoy that. I enjoyed it thoroughly. You guys have to watch the video. That was so funny seeing the things. It was very wholesome. It was like, do sharks eat their siblings?
That's not wholesome. That's fucked up.
Itchy forehead.
It went from cortisone for psoriasis to antifungal.
Hi guys, good morning, happy Vlogmas day 10. I'm getting ready to go snowboarding. Wow, am I out of breath already? I feel like I've realized being in Big Bear how not in shape I am. I can't tell if it's just the altitude, but I get tired just from talking, which is So weird. I'm getting ready to change. We're gonna go snowboarding. The slopes kind of close at 4 p.m. And so right now it's almost 11 a.m. So we're gonna be snowboarding for like 5 hours. Also, I promised you guys an Airbnb tour and I have not done that yet. So we're gonna do that right now. All right, are you guys ready for this house tour? Let me give you guys the full experience. Oh, it's cold outside. It's cold. Okay, here's the full experience. All right, so you walk inside the house. Cute little cabin, and it's the coziest vibes. Of course, it's a little messy because we've been staying here for 2 days now, so please don't expect it to be super clean. This is the lodging area. It's so pretty and so cozy. I love that we went with like a really cozy vibe. It is definitely modern compared to other cabins we've stayed at in Big Bear, but it still has so many aspects that make it very cozy and cabiny. The dark woods. I love the floating shelves. I also love these matte black plates that they purchased for this Airbnb. They look so bougie that I kind of want to get them for our house. I'm actually curious where they got them from. I wonder if they're from, okay, they're from Stone and Lane.
I think they're from Target.
No way!
I'm pretty sure I see them at Target a lot.
Oh wow, these are so nice. Definitely will have to go to Target and purchase that. These are all of our snacks. You guys saw this earlier. We have so many snacks. I think we spent like $190 on snacks, but here is a different view.
Top's exposing us.
All right, here's a cute little view this way. And then if we go back here in the backyard, I'm not gonna step out because I don't have any shoes on, but I thought I'd show you guys either way. How do we access the... We're definitely hot tubbing tonight, y'all. We have a hot tub over here, but I can't get to that area because no shoes and it's very snowy. Also cold. And then from this angle right here, we have the pretty stairwell leading up to the 2 bedrooms upstairs. So this is a 3-bedroom house with 3 bathrooms, which is amazing. This is Remi's room. So this is Remi's room. She's got the entire downstairs area, and this is what I love about this house is all their finishings are so beautiful. The way they decorated the house is amazing. These wood cabinets, I'm in love with these wood cabinets and the sleek black modern circle mirror. Look at these tiles. You just don't see this in Big Bear. This is so modern for Big Bear, which is so funny because it's still cabin feeling. All right, we have the beautiful Christmas tree. And I actually don't know what this room is. This might lead to the garage. Let's see. Oh, we don't even have access to it. Never mind. All right, upstairs it is. All right, so when you go upstairs, to the left, we have mine and Mia's bedroom. So pretty up here. I love that they have like an office space for whoever stays here if you like need to do a little bit of work. This is like a little printer, a monitor. We also have these cabinets to the side as well. Of course, we're not utilizing them. And then here is the bedroom. Mia and I love sleeping next to each other because both of us sleep like rocks. Last night, I felt so bad because I kept moving around. Last night, I had the hardest time sleeping. I could not fall asleep. And I feel bad because Mia sleeps like a coffin. And normally, so do I. Like, both of us sleep like little corpses, which is why we wanted to sleep next to each other. But I felt so bad because I was moving around like crazy. We also have this beautiful, like, patio. So pretty. So pretty. Okay, so I'm not gonna go out there. Again, no shoes. And then, of course, we have our own bathroom as well. Again, beautiful finishings in this house. And then they have this pretty green tile. Every single bathroom kind of has like a different tile in the shower, and I kind of love it. This one being really pretty. And then we have Lauren's room. Lauren, can I show your room? All right, so we have Lauren's room. Hi. Wow, you look comfy. Lauren's editing our like drinking vlog that she filmed yesterday. You guys need to watch it. It's so funny.
Chaos.
It's so chaotic in the best way. And then we have her little patio, and then she has a cute little TV, a cute little couch, but her bathroom is so nice. This feels like a spa in here. I'm in awe. I kind of want to do this to the house that we are renovating in LA. It's like teak wood. I don't know what this is or what this is considered, but it just feels like a spot in here, and I'm absolutely in love with it. Also, it's a sliding glass door. It has no framing to it, and I find it so beautiful. Oh, this one comes with this pretty little granite countertop as well. All right, so that's it with the house tour, you guys. We're gonna go snowboarding pretty soon. I think everyone's just finishing up their work. So I'm gonna try to get a cute thumbnail in the snow for this house tour. Also, here is the outside of our Airbnb. It's so cute. Look how cute it is. Okay, let's get a cute thumbnail. Oh, it's cold. Good enough. we just got back from snowboarding. Oh my god, what a fun time. But while we were snowboarding, Remi didn't come with us because she didn't have her snow boots. So she was gonna surprise us with dinner, and we just got home. The house smells beautiful, and she put together a decorating kit. What is this? Remi! Oh my god! Wait, let me see you, Lauren. Oh my goodness. This is so wholesome. We're gonna decorate sugar cookies. Oh my gosh, we have mini peppermint sippers.
It'll be so
Am I allowed
fun.
to kiss you, or would that be the worst
You
thing
can kiss
possible?
me.
Okay.
Thank you for asking. Thank you for consent.
So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. We're gonna play Truth or Drink later, and I'll have that as like a whole separate video. So get excited for that. So if you guys made it to this part of the vlog, comment down below. Comment down below, Remi is the best.
Aww.
So I'll know you guys made it to the end of the video if you guys comment that, so make sure to comment that. But I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in another vlog. Bye guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.